Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the respiratory response to the exercise. So this includes the oxygen consumption. That is, in case of oxygen consumption, the response is it increases. And in case of CO2 production, the CO2 production also it increases. Then looking at the VR, that is the ventilation rate, it again increases, and that is it matches the oxygen consumption as well as the CO2 production. Then looking at the arterial PO2 and the PCO2. The arterial PO2 and the PCO2, there is no change is seen. Then when you look at the arterial pH, there is no change in moderate exercise and it decreases in case of strenuous exercise. So here in case of strenuous exercise, what happens? There is a decrease in there is decrease. Then venous PO2. So what happens in the venous PO2? The venous PO2, there is increase, and pulmonary blood flow PBF also there is increase. Then V by Q ratios is more evenly distributed in the lung. So V by Q ratio is more evenly distributed, and this is in the lung. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.